Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b we change for t, minus we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for t. Now we can apply the formula in here, and now that should be like this. So in this situation, this one that is about number 1, this one number 2 that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So this one we simplify, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.